Hey guys, thanks for jumping back into the cryptoverse. Today we're going to be going over Bitcoin. If you guys like this content, please subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on, and check out the Telegram channel in the description below. So hopefully some of you guys can tell a difference between the video quality between this video and the last video. I did upgrade to a new video camera, so I hope you guys can tell. And I also did get another a USB mic, and I'll see how it goes. I think hopefully it'll improve the audio for everyone. So today we're going to be going over Bitcoin. We're going to keep this video fairly simple, but what we're going to do is we're just going to look at the 20-week moving average. So that's all I'm looking at. Historically, I think the 20-week moving average is one of the best indicators for a bull run. So if you just look here on the BLX, you can see that, so first of all, if I were to plot the 50 day and the 100 or the 200 day, there was a golden cross over here, and it was the second golden cross. And over here, this line that we're looking at is the 20-week moving average. Now, once we got above the 20-week moving average and held it as support, you can see that every subsequent correction went down to the 20-week moving average. So, we would see really good run-ups, and then we might see 30% drops or so, and it always went straight to the 20-week moving average. So you can see we held it as support over here, and then right here, down here, here again, and ultimately we went way above it. And then once we broke the 20-week moving average, that was when things started going downhill. That's when we started holding it as resistance. And we talked about the 20-week moving average a few weeks ago, or a few months ago, I should say, because once we got above the 20-week moving average, a while ago, you can see that we really got moving really quickly. And then ultimately, this bubble kind of popped, and we've been coming back down, and then we kind of held support on it for a while, and then once we fell below it, we really started dropping, and then we came right back up and held it as resistance, just like we did in the last bubble, which was obviously a much bigger bubble. So the key thing to consider here is that right now we are coming right up to the 20-week moving average. So it'll be telling, from my viewpoint, whether, if we hold this as a resistance zone and don't get above it, then, clearly we're still going to be, we're likely going to be going down, just because we will not have confirmed any type of bullish momentum. Now, if we can get above the 20-week and hold that as support, initially, then, that was actually when some other coins finally started taking off. So I know a lot of people talk about alt season, but if not all altcoins perform in the same manner. So if you look back at the last market cycle, and not to say that this has to happen again, obviously, but if you look back at the last market cycle, Ethereum really started moving once Bitcoin held the 20-week moving average as support. So we'll see if that happens again. First, obviously, we need to get above the 20-week, and then we need to hold it for a little bit to confirm that we are, actually going to stay above it. Here, you can see that once we came over to the 20-week moving average, we just fell below. So, I don't usually just bring up moving averages on TradingView, but this is one that I will like to bring up a lot, just because I think it is very telling of bull markets in general. So if you scroll all the way back, you can see here we were also holding it as support during the bull market, and then here holding it as, well, once we got out of this, we came up, we had the bubble, it popped, came back down, and then up, and then we held it as support all the way up, more or less. I guess it's not an exact science, but again, you can see here we're holding it as support on the way up, and then we came out, and then we didn't hold it as support. So the point is be looking out for the 20-week moving average. If we get above it in the short term, then look to be holding it as resistance. I remember telling one of my friends back in the summer, that if we did not hold this, then it means we're going to be fighting to get back above it for a long time. And we have been fighting it for the last several months, and we're coming up to it right now, so we will see what happens. That's pretty much all I have to say to this video. I don't really have a whole lot to say. I just wanted to make a new video because I got new equipment. I got a new mic and a new video camera, like I said earlier. So let me know if you guys can tell there's an improvement or not. If you guys like this, again, subscribe to the channel. If you want, more updates, more graphs, more analysis, risk indicator updates constantly, then check out my Patreon channel in the description below. So if you do $30 a month, it's I'll basically update more or less whatever you want me to update that I'm doing. So just let me know, and I will see you next time. Bye.